Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial here on NailPossible. I wore this design on a video a while ago, but I did not record it. I was asked if there was a tutorial for it, so I decided to do it, but adding a few more details this time. Let's apply the base coat first. And we're gonna use this dusty purple as the base. I love this polish not only because it's very pretty, but also because it's almost a one-coater. We clean up around the nails. And we're gonna use the stamping plate for the design and a silver polish. We stamp the image on all of our nails, moving the stamper so that the sign is a little bit different on each nail. With the dotting tool, I'm going to add a few dots in between the leaves. And now, using a holographic glitter polish and a tiny brush, we're going to fill in the leaves. We clean up the residue from the stamping. And we add a top coat. And we are now finished with our design. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!